In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make coloring book pages using Canva AI. Whether you're looking to create a personalized gift, expand your creative projects, or even start a small business, this tutorial will guide you through each step to unleash your creative potential with the help of Canva's intuitive tools and AI capabilities. First things first, let's open Canva in your browser. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but it's free and only takes a moment. If you already have projects, feel free to open an existing file or start afresh with a new design. Once you're on the main Canva dashboard, you'll want to look towards the left side of the screen and find the Apps button. Click on that to access a suite of tools and integrations that Canva offers. Now, in the search bar, type in Magic Media or AI Image Generator. This is where the magic truly begins. These tools are designed to assist with generating unique images based on your descriptive prompts. Next, let's talk about the prompt box. This is where you'll input a detailed description of what you want your coloring page to include. Be as specific as possible to help the AI generate an image closest to your vision. To ensure your images work well as coloring pages, be sure to include phrases like black and white outline in your description. This instructs Canva to produce an image suited for coloring, with clean lines and details. Also, don't forget to choose the right style for your images, whether that's something whimsical, realistic, or cartoonish, depending on the theme or subject you have in mind. Once everything is set, click on Generate Image. The AI will create an image based on your input, and you'll see a preview of your newly generated design. Now it's time to add more depth to your coloring book by including multiple pages. You can do this by duplicating the page you've just created or starting anew for each page if you're aiming for variety. Leverage your AI-generated outlines by placing them on each page to form a cohesive series. Additionally, consider enhancing each page with creative titles such as Magical Forest or Dinosaur Adventure to add an extra layer of fun and context to your coloring book. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to bring it to life. Download your project as a PDF, which is ideal for both printing and sharing digitally. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've just created a custom coloring book using Canva's powerful AI tools. Whether your book is for personal use, a gift, or something to share with others, we hope you have fun letting your creativity run wild. Happy designing!